background.
Oh, hacking Julia's phone.
Oh. Okay, now you can start.
Alright. Super excited for today. Not really. Nothing. Hey guys. Apparently, yeah. So Marion and I are just here and we didn't read Frankenstein. We're about to have a reading check with them. So I know. So wish us luck.
Oh, hi. We're in the bathroom right now. This is my ugly OOTD. Jesse basically looks like a model, and I look like a fetus. So this is her thick. Yay. So yeah, we're just at lunch. It's about 12:06. Oh, we're about to go, and I don't want to look awkward. Bye.
Okay, so as you can see from that last clip, Jesse's just really involved in her phone. I threw a carrot at her, and so I haven't vlogged in quite some time. 1 second.
You literally just vlogged on my phone.
But I haven't been in the vlogs in a while. Like 2 days, so sorry. And I'm just eating some carrots. I was trying to watch Jane the Virgin, but my Netflix isn't working, so wait, you need.
What was I gonna say? I'm listening to some. Oh, speak into it. Where?
Hello.
Oh my god.
Just okay. I'm listening to the throwback songs and it's really good. And
Is my shirt wrinkly or is that just me?
it's just you.
What else was I gonna say?
Oh.
What else was I gonna say?
I was gonna say something.
Oh, if you wanted to know, I don't feel good. So I was trying to leave like during this block, but I can't. So I'm gonna leave.
Someone left
I'm
the
not going
water
to
bottle
try.
here.
That's a good water bottle.
But also, I have Spanish test and I've had so many opportunities to study for it. Like right now, and I'm not.
She's literally like stalking Twitter.
And I got a 79 on my quiz, so.
Bye.
Hey guys. Ellie, say hi.
Wait, I was gonna wash my hands earlier in the vlog.
Oh, Ellie's
There's some right there.
Guys, hey, I need some toilet paper. Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I am. Oh, hey, baby.
Really, I was doing the exact same thing. Thank you.
So I'm wearing this nice sweatshirt because some gross freshman got ketchup all over me and my hair today. So basically, if you're one of those freshmen, then
You can
show some
What she said?
show some respect.
Hello, me and Julia, we gotta practice to go get food from the vending machine. Yeah, because we both forgot to pack snacks because we're stupid. So, track race.
Someone's in there.
Oh shit. It's okay, it's fine. Let's hope there's no one out here. Okay. I forgot to wear socks. Oh, this is disgusting. Dumbass Jesse. Artsy, thank you. Oh. What number is it?
Oh, I missed it. It's okay.
Okay, read it. I almost went to.
So close. Where did it come out?
Got a black.
Have an assistant.
Yeah, I got. Hi everybody. So, I just had my first practice of travel season, and I say it's pretty good. I like the people on my team. Right now I'm eating some peanut butter crackers. Any words of wisdom, Mom?
You know what? Have fun, play hard.
Thank you. Okay, so happy Vlogmas. My mom just surprised me with Chick-fil-A. I got a peppermint milkshake, first time this season. It is very good and some 6 counts. Thanks, Mom.
Shocking.
Yeah, it never happens.
Hi everyone! We just finished basketball practice. We play Godwin on Saturday, so everyone come out to Godwin and watch us beat Godwin.
At 12 o'clock!
Dab! Wait, team dab on 3. 1, 2, 3. Dab. 3. Dab.
12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time.
Just the babies on the couch. My baby's looking so good today.
Hi everyone, we're in Walmart in the Christmas aisle. Here with my mom. And we're getting some things for the basketball game tomorrow because I just had practice. Hashtag B-ball life. Yeah. B-ball life. You do. Still at Walmart. Oh. There you go. Here's my mom's headband.
They're earmuffs.
And here's my headband.
Hey.
Comment down below if we should get them.